And sometimes you will visually see it, but you just keep going around the circumference, and as you can see, right here, there's a nail. Now, if you can't see the nail, or you can't find a leak and you looked everywhere, and you can't visually find it, right here's your best friend. And all this is dish soap and water, is it will reveal to you air leaks. And you'll see a bunch of tiny bubbles there. Also, don't forget to spray around the rim and spray around the tire valve itself, because both of those places could be the source of your leak. Sometimes tire valves get a little sticky, and all they need is some moving around and they'll seal up. But you can really see that leak now. And if it was leaking around the rim, you can spray around the outside of the rim with the soapy water, and you'll see and leave it sit for 5 or 10 minutes. You spray it around like this. And if there isn't a leak, well, of course, you won't see any bubbles.
If you find it leaking around the rim, you're going to have to remove the tire from the rim, clean the rim, and
tire plugging tools. Here's my set here. First, you need the awl or reamer, and then you're going to need the actual tool that installs the tire plug itself. But if the nail, say, were in the sidewall, over here, anywhere in this area, really, you shouldn't plug that tire. That creates a dangerous situation. But if it's in this tread area, it's okay.
One thing to note here, I'd prefer that you didn't use aerosol tire sealants to correct a problem like this. Personally, I've seen it cause more problems than
I take my awl and spray it with a little bit of silicone spray. That makes it slide into the tire nice. I have that ready. Get the nail. I use a pair of side cutters here, or a screw in this case, yeah. Ooh, it's a big one. Take it out. Take your reamer, put it in, twist it around. Insert the plug. Pull it out. And there you go. I use a utility knife and just cut the excess off so that it's down relatively flush with the tread. You can still do this while it's on the car, but if it's off the car, you'll be able to use gravity to help you push that all down in there, and that can be tricky sometimes. I hope this information was helpful. I'm Eric the Car Guy. You can always visit me at ericthecarguy.com and on Facebook and Twitter and